Hello students, welcome to CS Academy. In this session, we will discuss the relationship between area, velocity and pressure of the fluid system. Here, if we see the relation between this pressure, velocity and area, and here we will see in the two forms. The first one is a mathematical form and the second one is a physical form, the relation between these three objects. First one, if we see the relation between pressure, velocity and area of the object in mathematical form, okay. As we know, the continuity equation according to law of conservation of mass, that is rho AV equal to constant. Yes or no? Here if you see the relation between area and velocity, here I am showing the mathematical relation, and after that I will show you the physical form, how the relation between these three things, okay. And here, as we know, the area and velocity are inversely proportional, okay. The area and velocity are inversely proportional. This is regarding the law of conservation of mass, that is a continuity equation, okay. And if you see regarding this law of conservation of energy, that is a Bernoulli equation, that is P by rho g plus V square by 2g plus Z is equal to constant, okay. This is regarding the law of conservation of energy, that is the Bernoulli equation. And here this is the pressure head, this is the kinetic head and this is the datum head, okay. And here let us consider, I am considering one pipe like this of cross section, and this is the cross section 2 and this is the cross section 1, and from cross section 1 to 2 I am sending some fluid with the pressure P, pressure head. Let us consider this is a reference point, and from the reference points the datum of this first cross section is for example 10 meters, and here this is the 20 meters height, okay, 20 meters are datum head, and here the pressure head let us consider 40 meters, and here the kinetic head of this body, this fluid is 50 meters, let us consider here, and the water is flowing from this first cross section to the second cross section. And as according to this law of conservation of energy, Bernoulli equation, if we apply at the first and second cross section, that is P by rho g of 1 plus V square by 2g of 1 plus Z1 is equal to P2 by rho g plus V2 square by 2g plus Z2. Yes or no? See here, if we substitute these values, the pressure head is 40 meters and the kinetic head is 50 meters and the datum head is 10 meters. Yes or no? The total, as we know here, the total three parameters is equal to constant. If we apply anywhere these three values, the summation of these three values is called constant. But in between these things they may vary, but the summation of these three values is equal to constant here. Like this here, the pressure head and kinetic head and datum head total values is 100 meters. Okay, and here if you see the datum head at the section 2 is equal to 20, and here whenever the fluid is sending from the high pressure to the low pressure, and here the pressure head is 40 meters, and if we compare with these two sections, the pressure should be low here, then only the fluid will flow from this one cross section to the two cross section. That means the pressure at the section 2 should be very low. Very low means that it is lower than the 40 meters. Let us consider here 20 meters pressure head exists, and here I just maintain 20 meters, and here to maintain the constants according to the principle of conservation of energy, okay, the summation this 20 plus 20 is 40, but here total value is 100, okay. That means the kinetic head is maintaining 60, that is 60 meters, then only the law of conservation of energy will exist. That is, if we see here the pressure head is 40 and here the pressure head is 20 meters, and the pressure head is sacrificing its value to increase the kinetic head. That means as the pressure is decreasing, velocity is, that is kinetic head is increasing. That means there is existing inverse relation between this pressure and velocity. Yes or no? According to continuity equation, there is an inverse relation between the area and velocity. According to Bernoulli equation, there exists an inverse relation between the pressure and velocity. Okay, if we compare these two things, the pressure and velocity, area and velocity, area is inversely proportional with velocity, pressure is inversely proportional with velocity. Whenever these two things are inversely proportional with velocity, these two things are directly proportional. That means pressure is directly proportional to area. Okay, this is the relation with mathematical form. Okay, if we see the relation between this pressure, velocity and area in a physical form here, The what is the exact meaning of velocity in a physical form means, let us consider one pipe like this. There are different fluid particles in this pipe like this, and fluid is entering at one section and leaving at other section. Okay, and let us consider this is the fluid particle 1. We will tell the fluid particle is having high velocity at the time when it is escaping with a high speed. It is not having any time to contact with the other fluids. Okay, at the time we will tell that it is having very high velocity. Okay, and if it is escaping with very low speed and these two particles are in contact, it is not having much speed, then it is called very low velocity. Okay, and the exact physical meaning of pressure means, similarly here the pressure tells that what is the distance between any two fluid particles. If the distance between any two fluid particles is very less, then it is having high pressure. That means the attraction force between these two any fluid particles, it will tell by this pressure. Okay, that means how closely the fluid particles are arranging. How closely these fluid particles are arranging will tell by the pressure. Here, if any fluid particle is having high velocity means the fluid particle is escaping with very high speed. That means it is not able to contact with the other fluid. Then that means what is the relation? Whenever there is no any contact between these two fluid means it is having very low pressure. Yes or no? It is escaping with very high velocity. That means it is not having any much time to contact with the other fluid which is surrounded by this fluid. Yes or no? But this pressure is telling that the fluid particles how closely is contacting with each other. But here if it has high velocity, it is escaping with very high velocity, then it is not able to touch with this other fluid particles. That means it is having very less pressure. Like this in inverse relation also will exist. If it is having very low velocity, it is moving with very slowly. Okay, and this adjacent fluid particle will contact with this one. As the fluid distance between these two particles is very low, it is having very high pressure. Yes or no? This is the physical meaning, physical relation between this pressure velocity. And here in this physical relation also we will tell that pressure is inversely proportional with velocity. Yes or no? Like this we will define the relationship between the pressure and velocity and the area of the cross section of the fluid particles. Okay, I hope you cleared the doubt for relation between the pressure, velocity and area cross section of this pipe. And many engineering students have doubt from their BTech onwards this pipe. Okay, from this session you will clear up this doubt. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.